Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at how to use the Opera GX time zone converter. Now the time zone converter is connected to the search pop-up. Now when you come across an unfamiliar time, such as this, search pop-up can adjust the time to your local time zone. For the time zone converter to work properly, the time zone abbreviation must be highlighted with the hour and minutes included. You may also highlight an accompanying date such as in addition to the hour and the time zone abbreviation, and the converter will adjust the date if necessary. You can copy the converted value to your clipboard by hovering your pointer over the value and clicking the reviewed copy button. The time zone converter uses your system's location at the time you installed Opera to determine your local time zone. Now here's a list of time zones which Opera can convert. You can see them right here. Now, to enable this feature, from the home menu, right click on settings, click on features, scroll down until you see search pop-up, and then make sure it's enabled, and you can see time zone, enable it. It's as simple as that. So whenever you're reading or using your browser, let's say you're reading an article or something that has to do with a time zone you're not familiar with, just hover over that time zone, and once you do that, like now, just hover right there, but this is actually the one I registered with, but just in case, you can highlight it like this, click on copy, and it will be copied. Now the reason why it is not changing this for me is because this is actually the one I chose. Now if it's an unfamiliar one, it will change it to the GMT, which is what I actually used to register when I was registering Opera for the first time. So hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.